Hello everyone, welcome to Fluent English by Fozia. Today I will teach you 20 very simple English sentences that we all use in daily life. These sentences are perfect for beginners, so let's start. Number 1, I wake up early. Example, I wake up early every morning. Number 2, I brush my teeth. Example, I brush my teeth twice a day. Number 3, I take a shower. Number 4, I am getting ready. Number 5, I am going to the kitchen. Number 6, I am making breakfast. Example, I am making breakfast for my family. Number 7, I am feeling sleepy. Number 8, I am watching TV. Number 9, I am going to work, school. Number 10, I am tired today. Number 11, please close the door. Number 12, please turn on the light. Number 13, please give me water. Number 14, I am coming. Number 15, wait a moment. Number 16, I don't know. Number 17, I don't understand. Number 18, can you help me? Number 19, I like it. Number 20, thank you so much. You did a great job. Practice these 20 sentences daily and your English will improve very fast. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Fluent English by Fozia. See you in the next lesson.